So after some amount of ifing and butting, we're now getting confirmation from the Jamaican team management that we are indeed in pursuit of the EPL-bound Leeds United midfielder and captain Calvin Phillips to bolster the Reggae Boys ahead of next year's World Cup qualifying campaign. And of course, we're hearing the usual talk that the England coaching staff is also monitoring the impressive midfielder, setting up another tug-of-war between Jamaica and England. But yo, this feels like we've been down this road before. Another good young player in his prime, eligible to play for both Jamaica and England. Will he choose Jamaica, or will he want to wait on that England call? With the lingering questions remaining of how comfortable, compatible, and committed will this player be playing for Jamaica? And are we going to just throw him into the team in the middle of a crucial World Cup qualifying campaign? I mean, let's face the reality. Calvin Phillips is 24 years old, born and bred in England, already touted as the best player in England outside of the EPL. Yes, he just captained his team back to the Premiership. Future looks bright. This youth probably don't even know the difference between half a tree square and some sharp square. Yes. What we have to lure him away from England to come play for Jamaica. Yeah, man, banana. Let me put it this way. It would be great if he chooses Jamaica. But me personally, me now hold my breath. Now hold my breath, mister.